I love to discuss the fun and exciting parts of the construction process, but sometimes we have to shine the light on some of the less attractive things that go on in the industry. If you're comparing contractor quotes and wondering why some prices are much higher than others, I want to help you understand what's really happening. In this video, I'll break down why the price differences can be so drastic and what those lower quotes might be hiding. Let's talk about one of the most common pricing scams in the residential construction industry, the so-called discount game that we see a lot in the nationwide contractors and in the price per square foot illusion that we commonly see with model home builders. The situation looks like this. You're at your kitchen table reviewing a quote for your kitchen renovation. The contractor senses hesitation and he suddenly says to you, "By the way, my supervisor is allowing me to do a special one-time discount. If you sign today, I'll take $2,500 off your project. Let's get this proposal signed." Does that type of situation sound familiar? It's a common tactic used across industries from car dealerships to home improvement sales. It's not a real discount, it's a manipulation tactic designed to pressure you into signing a contract. If you're looking to hire someone that you can trust, be aware of this tactic. These contractors are being manipulative from the very first appointment, and if they're willing to manipulate you from day one, what do you think the construction process is going to look like? The next big trick is the price per square foot pitch. It sounds very straightforward, but what is actually built into that number? How can we give a price per square foot for a home that we don't know anything about? Some homes don't have foundations and some have 3 stories. The point is that all houses have different associated costs. When you hear a price per square foot that is lower than others, what is it that makes that price cheaper than others? It's usually cheap, mass-produced, builder-grade materials that keep the initial price attractive only to upsell you later. These materials are known for being less durable and less attractive. If you're building a custom home or remodeling a kitchen, is that what you really expect to be installed? If you look closer, these low-ball per square foot quotes usually don't include critical site work, wells, septic systems, or driveways. But why not? It's because those scopes of work are very expensive, and without them included, the price per square foot is drastically lower. They justify this by saying that every lot and every property is different, so we don't consider those costs as a price of the home. What that actually means is that you're being manipulated into believing that this is a turnkey price, but in reality, the contractor plans to come to you with those costs later. At that point, you're in way too deep to walk away. We hear this all the time. You end up with 3 choices. Finish the job using low-grade materials with a contractor that you no longer trust, agree to all the upgrades that you expected from the beginning, and pay as much, if not more, than what the first contractor was telling you what the cost of the home would be. And number 3, you could hire a lawyer, find another contractor, and say goodbye to your move-in date. This kind of behavior is exactly why so many people believe that contractors are shady. And frankly, you can't blame them. But it doesn't have to be that way. At NEPA Builders, we do things differently. When you call us, you'll speak to someone who gives you a real turnkey price on the first phone call. One that includes finishes that you actually want, wells and septic systems and driveways. No manipulation, no hidden surprises. We believe that choosing upgrades should feel exciting and not like you're being taken advantage of. Keep in mind, if you're getting a too good to be true price per square foot, ask for references. Then those references can tell you what they actually paid. So just take that and do the math. And what you'll find is that 9 times out of 10, that low end price ends up being the same as what contractors who are being honest with you from the very beginning. So the real question is, would you rather work with someone that tells you the truth from the very beginning, or with someone who tells you what you want to hear just to win the job? At NEPA Builders, honesty is not a sales tactic. We have core values and our work has meaning and purpose. We take pride in helping people to achieve their goals. And being upfront is how we build trust from the very first phone call. Don't just take our word for it. I put a few YouTube video links in the description that covers this same exact topic. Thank you for watching the video. If you would like to work with us, click the first link in the description and visit our website, send us the contact information, and we'll be in touch with you very soon.